Hi there! Good morning, everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a new lesson. We are going to learn about farm animals. Yesterday I went to the farm and I saw many animals. I love farm animals. At the farm, I saw many animals, but I love these three animals. Let's begin with the animal that makes this sound. Meow, meow. Yes, it's a cat. This is a cat. Cat, cat. Then I saw an animal that makes this sound. Moo, moo. What animal? Yes, it's a cow. This is a cow. Cow, cow, cow. This animal that I saw yesterday at the farm, I really love them, okay? This animal makes this sound. Woof, woof. What's that animal? Yes, it's a dog. Duck, duck, duck. Let's begin with duck, duck, duck. Cow, cow, cow. Cat, cat, cat. Okay guys, please enjoy this new lesson. Practice the pronunciation of the animals, of the three animals. These three farm animals, please. And we have here too the three animals. We have cow, we have dog, and we have a cat. Please practice the pronunciation and see you next lesson. See you next time. Lot of kisses. Bye-bye. See you.